When logging into the vRxPro platform, you'll be presented with a dashboard containing quick access tiles and a side navigation bar. The main area of the dashboard offers quick access to frequent prescription management actions using tiles. Depending on the practice setup and user permissions, the dashboard may include tiles for creating prescriptions, viewing client requests, renewing prescriptions, and linking clients and patients between the platform and your practice management system. You'll also notice, in some instances, a red badge containing a number will appear in the top right corner of the tile. This indicates that there are items within the workflow area that require attention by the user. On the left side of the page is the navigation menu. This list of options is available from anywhere on the platform and offers quick links to other areas of the application. Use the arrow in the upper right corner of the bar to expand or collapse the sub-options contained in the navigation. Like the homepage tiles, the left navigation menu options are dependent on user permissions to access these selections. This includes the client list, management of saved drafts, prescription order history, reporting, settings, and finally, the client storefront. Additional navigation to terms of service, privacy policy, and more can be found along the bottom border of the application. Finally, help and resources, including practice support contacts, training documentation, and marketing resources, can be found by selecting the teal question mark in the bottom right corner of the page.